Here we are back at Star Wars Battles. We got another giveaway here. This one's by Jose. It's an early bird stand. Let's get 24 spots in this battle. Grab that list. There it is. Good looking stuff up here today. We're going to go live. It's 12:10 a.m. here in Antwerp. And I'm going to paste in your entries, 24 of them. We got 24 here. We got to get a 5 or better. Got a 7. Good luck, everybody. Round 1. Okay. Round 1. Manuel. Round 2, Hans. 3 is Peter. Round 4 is Mike. Round 5 is Mike. Round 6 is Mark, which brings us over to the final round. Good luck, everybody. It's 12:10. Winner of the early bird stand is Don, spot 20. Congratulations. Thanks, everybody else. There's your verification, KCSNUB. Spot 20 is your winner. And we're done. Congratulations, Don. That's a nice looking piece there. It's 12:11 a.m. Until next time, battle on.